Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the shoe size in the Goat Sneakers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then scroll down and look for the shoe size button and click on that. So here, as you can see, first you can choose your category, and then the brand, and then the sizing format, so the US, the UK, the EU, or the French, and then just set your size. And once everything is aligned, then just click on the Save My Size button, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.